Hello, my name is Ryan Lee, and in this video I'll be discussing our group's open source development term project. For this project, we've created a secondhand shoe store called Second Chance. This store will feature 6 different products, fully categorized and have display images. Each product will be stored in an SQLite database table with the following columns: name, price, category, and size. It will also have a shopping cart feature that stores all selected products and quantities, totals the price, calculates the shipping fee, displays any discounts if applicable, and generates a receipt for the user. And I'll be talking about the database creation. So for this project, I decided to use SQL3 Lite, and this code will generate a DB script called Second Chance, and in this database, this code will execute these 4 queries that will create a products table, category table, size table, and orders table. The products table will hold a product ID as an integer value, product name, the price, category, and the size. Category table, same thing, more or less, category ID and category name, the name of category, size ID integer for the size, and the size in US. Orders ID, product ID, the total, and the quantity. So now we'll run this code, and it should generate a database called Second Chance DB. Nice. And for these queries, this block of code will create values. It'll populate our tables with these values right here. So these will be in our product table, a Nike Air Zoom Pegasus with all these values for the columns. And for size table, we'll have these sizes. And for the category table, we'll have these categories: running shoes, basketball shoes, court shoes, and boots, and lifewear shoes. So I'll run this code right now. Nice. Now I'll pass it on to Chris to talk about classes.
Hi, this is Chris Try, and I'll be talking about our classes. Our product class holds info from the database to instantiate the products of our program. Our order class creates an order object every time an order is made by the user. Also has functionality for writing to the database, adding to the order table, and determining whether or not the order qualifies for a discount. Finally, our shopping cart class holds functions to generate a receipt. It'll go through the list of orders and total up every total, returning how much the user has to pay minus the taxes, adding the taxes, and printing it out in a string format. Yeah,
Right, so
moving.
now we'll move on to the main function, like the main page. For this, we decided to make a function called all products. This all products function will execute this query that will select all products in the product table and display its name, the ID, name, price, category, size. And this is our main menu function that displays the name of the store, a divider, all products, and it will prompt the user. And Chris will talk more about this.
Okay, we enter into a loop asking the user for input. Every time the user enters a number that is valid, it will create an order for that product, and we will ask them how many units they would like to buy of the product, uh, displaying the total amount, and then appending the order to the order list. Whether or not they want to continue will determine whether or not to stay in the loop.
And
Moving on. Yeah.
yeah, once an order is submitted, once we leave the loop, once we break out, we will append the my order into the my products that table in our database, and we'll print out the receipt. It will
Yeah.
print out the receipt at the very end of it once we exit this loop. Here are some images of our of our product, and I'll run the code. I'll run this function right here. So here, second chance, title. These are all our products. Welcome, please enter the product ID. Let's say for this case, I'll order number 3, Air Jordans, off-whites. Nice. Price. How many would I like to order? For this, I'll say I'll order 6. The total price is 1.3. Would I like to continue? Yeah. I'll like to continue. This time, I'll order some Yeezys. This time, I'd like to order 12. Let's say I'll order 12 Yeezys. And no, I'm done for the day. That's a lot of money. All right. So now we we exit the code, and let's see what it prints out. So this is our receipt. Product number 3, no discount. So the first product we ordered, we didn't order more than 6, so there's no more than 10, sorry. So there's no discount. But for the second order that we ordered, second product we ordered, there is a discount, and it calculated it for us, and the receipt totaled how much we needed to pay, and yeah, this is our project. Thank you for listening, and have a good day.